Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at an all-new budget scooter. This here is the NAVEE N65. 10-inch wheels with a 500-watt brushless motor. It is a great size scooter for your budget. It's also important to note that the range on this is up to 65 kilometers with a max speed of 32 kilometers per hour. Now the price point on this is $749, which is almost a bargain of a price. Now in this episode here we'll be unboxing it, trying it out and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The interesting thing about this is it's actually quite easy to unbox from my understanding. You guys go ahead and pull these tabs down like this, and you should be able to lift the box. And just like that, we can unbox our scooter. Quite simple. I do see that we have our charging cable, and then we have our instruction manual. So it does come with an app. So the app does give you a Bluetooth interface, allowing you to go ahead and connect to it and see exactly how fast you're going. You can control it, lock it, and do a variety of other tasks too. Pull this here. It'll lock in place. There we go. Push the button, turn it. Aha! Rotate. Locked into place. We're all set. All right, so this here's our N65 out of the packaging, and overall it looks very nice. Has a nice high quality, great feel. It's made out of this like nice aluminum or metal finish. You got this big digital screen here on the front. Now it does have a working headlight as a working taillight, and it comes with all the bells and whistles that you need in a typical scooter. Now the brake is a rear brake, and when you do press the brake, it does flash. And then you have your power button here in the front. You press it once, it'll go ahead and turn off the headlight, turn it again. And if you hit set, you can change between the different speed modes. And then you also have a horn or a bell, which is quite loud. So let's go ahead and take it outside now and try it out. All right, so we're outside, and this here is our NAVEE. Overall, a really cool design concept. Has this bone structure kind of feel to it. Now, obviously, this is more of a budget grade scooter that's designed to be a competitive market for the Segway scooter that we previously reviewed, but again, a little bit more bells and whistles. So you have this gigantic screen kind of displaying at you, and then you have a bell as well. You have the locking mechanism as well as this nice tubing structure with a LED on the back and the front. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it's all about. All right, so there you guys have it. Overall, it's very easy to use. The tires that are nice and wide allow you to go ahead and have a nice grippy surface. There is a little bit of a wobble, but other than that, it's not too complicated. Now, I wish it did have an active suspension. Besides that, it's overall a great scooter, especially with the big LCD screen and the 3 different modes for speed. It features a 65 kilometer long battery life, 500-watt motor, bigger tires, and more. It's a great bang for the buck. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.